Hello everyone, this is Miss Lala and I am coming on today to share with you a FabFitFun kit that was given to me by one of my favorite vloggers, Miss Sassy VT Mom 2009. If you guys would like to head over to her channel, she shares a lot of beauty subscriptions and savings, holler hauls, which I love. And a lot of different things that can save you money. So she sent me an invitation to get this box, and I only had to pay $5 for the shipping and handling. And it has 4 items in it. It also came with their magazine, FabFitFun, and inside they have different health and wellness articles, horoscopes, more information about the products that they give. So let's get to what's in the box. First, we have Murad Renewing Eye Cream. And Murad is a great company. Their products are awesome. We have the Ahava Dermud Intensive. Sorry, it's not on the focus. The Dermud Intensive Foot Cream. Ahava is also a good brand. We have a Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and that is by This Works. And we have this awesome trinket dish. It's so cute with the pink and gold. You can put like your keys or earrings, jewelry in there. And they also sent a card. It tells you what's in the box. It says it retails for $160. The Murad Renewing Eye Cream, it retails for $82. The This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray retails for $29. The Ahava Dermud Intensive Foot Cream, it retails for $29. And the cute little trinket dish, Summer and Rose Celine trinket dish, retails for $22. So I definitely got way over the $5 shipping and handling. I do plan on subscribing to their seasonal box, and it comes out every season or every 3 months. It kind of works out, I guess. And you get a bigger box, of course, with more items. And so I'd like to say thank you again. I'm very appreciative, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also head over to Sassy VT Mom. That's Sassy VT Mom 2009. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening. Bye.